We are hiring for a reputed company in Sri City location. Recruitment, on-roll position. Working days, Monday, Friday, weekly off Saturday and Sunday. Shift, 2, shift only. Department, manufacturing. Qualification, ITI and diploma. Gender, male. Experience, 6 months to 2 years. Position 1, trainee. Visual inspection. Candidates should have experience in visual inspection checking. Preferable candidates for mobile manufacturing company. Position 2, trainee. Forging, pressing and heat treatment. Salary, freshers, 13K, 13.5K gross per month. Position 3, NDT technician. Level 2 certificate. Salary, 14K, 14.5K gross per month. Position 4, technician. Electrical maintenance. Experienced, 1 to 3 years. Benefits. Transportation, Sulurapeta, Sathiyavadu, Gumidipundi, free of cost. Food, free of cost. ESIC and PF, medical insurance, leave eligibility. Salary, as per industry norms, attendance, bonus, 800. Contact details. Interested candidates may send CV to the below WhatsApp number 720652416.